channel. Today's video is a February unboxing Look Fantastic box. Everything you need to know about Look Fantastic will be in the description box as well. Throughout this video I will be telling you some bits about Look Fantastic and showing you the products. So if you want to see what's inside my February Look Fantastic box, then please keep watching. I've never heard of Look Fantastic before. If you haven't, where have you been? Have you been living underneath a rock? Look Fantastic is a beauty website which do beauty boxes just like this. So this is for, I get this for £13.25 a month. It's a subscription service. You can cancel it at any time. If you do not want it anymore, you can cancel it any time. So it's not a permanent contract thing. You can cancel any time. Anyway, Look Fantastic is a beauty website which you can purchase makeup, skincare, hair care, makeup brushes, absolutely anything of it. And they do beauty boxes just like this. So I receive a box like this to my door every month. Like I said in the intro, everything about Look Fantastic will be in the description box below, you guys. So I highly recommend these beauty boxes. They are so worth the money, and you see how much products you get inside. So as you open the box up, it looks something like this. So this front bit is a little booklet. It tells you everything about the products, what the products do, how to use them, and everything else. They're a great little reader as well. Then it is like this. So I've already opened this as well, just to see what was inside, so I can tell you guys a little bit more about the products. Plus I wanted a little sneak peek myself. So let's open the packaging and show you guys, without trying to zip it all out, of this month's products. First is this. Now this caught my eye and I absolutely love this. If you haven't seen my glossy box unboxing of the February, then you know that I love the bubble tea hand cream. And when I opened this box and saw this, I thought, oh my god, now I've got plenty. So this is the bubble tea strawberry macaroon hand and body butter. Now I absolutely love the bubble tea hand lotions and body lotions. They are absolutely incredible. So when I saw this, I thought, thank you, Look Fantastic, you have made my day. I absolutely love these bubble tea hand creams as well. They are so amazing and they absolutely smell really, really nice. If you guys have seen my glossy box unboxing, you will know that I got a peach Berlin one or something like that. It actually smells of peaches and it smells of really good, nice sweets as well. So let's see what smell. Hopefully this smells of strawberries. It says apparently strawberry macaroon. So, oh, actually that smells like a. Do you know them car air fresheners you get? It smells like that. Just put a little bit on my hand. Yeah, it's got a hint of strawberry, but it smells like a car air. I keep saying carpet. I don't know why I keep doing that. Yeah, it smells like a car air freshener, so it actually smells quite nice. Yeah, there is a hint of strawberry in there. Ooh, that's actually quite nice. I love bubble tea hand lotions. I really, really do. So thank you so much for Look Fantastic for putting that in this month's box, because I absolutely love it. And bubble tea, if you are watching, thank you so much as well for partnering with Look Fantastic. Next product is this. Now when I saw this, I thought, thank you so much for Look Fantastic for stocking me up. Now this is an Elemis, sorry if I say the names wrong, Papra MZ peel. It's a cream exfoliator. Now I love Elemis. I might do an Elemis video showing you all the products that I've got, but I absolutely love Elemis. It's so expensive, but I get the I get the opportunity to actually get them in my boxes and advent calendars, so I get the opportunity to test them all out. And I know I've had this before and I absolutely love it. So thank you so much to Look Fantastic and the team for putting it in this month's box, because I absolutely love LMS. I think I might actually do a video for you guys to show you of what LMS products I actually have. But this is a enzyme pill, exfoliating cream pill. It says apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water. So it's like a face mask, but you only leave it on for 10 minutes. But thank you so much. I absolutely love this stuff. Then next is this. Now this is a Magnetone London Wipe Out Swipes eco-friendly microfiber makeup remover pads. Now I have had so many makeup remover pads from Look Fantastic, it's unbelievable. But then when I saw these, I thought, oh my god, look how cute they are. So you get like a peachy colour one and like a grey one. So again, I've had so many microfiber cloths for makeup from Look Fantastic, and I'm so excited to test these ones out. I might actually do a video of using these, see if these ones are any good, but I think they're actually really cute. Look how cute they are. It's got like a zigzag shape on them as well. They look so cute. I love them. And then got 3 more products to show you guys. This one is so tiny. This is a Galactic lid gloss. So this is a cream eyeshadow, a shimmer and shine stardust. So it's so tiny, but I think it's really cute. It's like an eyeshadow. But if I bring it closer for you guys, so you guys can see. I don't know if you guys are actually picking that up. There we go. It's like a little shimmer eyeshadow, so I will be so excited to test that out. Then I got these last 2 products to show you guys. I'll put the last one down on my leg just for 2 seconds. This is a Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. Now, I love masks. I've got so many in my bathroom right now. I think I might do a video showing you guys how many masks I've actually got. If you guys are interested in that, then please let me know. Then I will do things like that as well. Got another mask, so I love a mask. I'll bring it closer so you guys can see as well. I love face masks. I've got so many. I've got sheet masks, I've got the Body Shop masks, I've got this kind of mask now, and I absolutely love them so much. So thank you very much. Now, last product I've got to show you is another favourite of mine. I've got one, it's a like a primer, and I've used it, and it's actually really nice. So this is an LMS Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel. Now I think this is exactly the same of what I've already got. Oh, it's absolutely really lovely. It's so cute. It's got the LMS writing on it as well. Let me see. Oh, square's quite nice. I think this is actually a cream because it's different colour to the one I already have. The one I already have is like a gel kind of one. But what I'll have to do is actually have a look on here. See, if you're ever stuck with any products that you receive in any of your products in your beauty boxes, then always look at the leaflets or booklets. It can very help you so much. So this is an LMS Mini Beyond Veil Primer. So this is another primer which I'm so happy about because I love primers. I love LMS and I absolutely really did enjoy the last one I've got. So thank you so much for Look Fantastic for that as well. So yeah, those are all the products that I received in this month's box. Again, everything you need to know about Look Fantastic will be in the description box below for you guys, so go and check that out as well. Please, if you have the opportunity to even purchase a beauty box, then I would highly recommend Glossybox and Look Fantastic personally, because I get them every month and I love them so much. Plus you test out new products every month that you've never even heard of. So guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. This video has been unboxing February's Look Fantastic beauty box. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much. Please stay safe And thank you to every single one of you who has subscribed so far. It means the absolutely world to me. Thank you to everyone who has liked my videos, commented, even took the time, if you're not subscribed, even took the time to even watch my videos. Thank you so much. It means so much to me. I'm going to keep doing YouTube as long as I can, and I love you guys so much. Bye guys.